Leveling up your English and improving your pronunciation skills can be an exciting journey. With the right strategies and consistent practice, anyone can enhance their language abilities. Here's a comprehensive approach to help you on this path. First and foremost, immersing yourself in the language is crucial. Surround yourself with English in various forms. This can include watching English movies, listening to podcasts, or reading books. Choose materials that interest you, whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or news articles. The more engaged you are, the better. When watching movies or shows, consider using subtitles in English. This allows you to connect spoken words with their written forms, reinforcing your understanding of pronunciation. Listening is fundamental when it comes to improving your pronunciation. Focus on how native speakers articulate words and phrases. Pay attention to intonation, rhythm, and stress. Try to mimic what you hear. You might find it helpful to pause and repeat sentences or phrases, focusing on getting the sounds right. This technique not only aids pronunciation but also helps in grasping natural speech patterns. To further develop your listening skills, choose a variety of accents and dialects. English is spoken differently in different regions, and familiarizing yourself with these variations can enhance your overall comprehension. Explore British, American, Australian, and other English-speaking accents. This exposure can make you more adaptable when communicating with people from diverse backgrounds. Another effective way to improve your pronunciation is through phonetics. Learning the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, can provide insights into how sounds are produced. Each symbol in the IPA represents a specific sound, making it easier to understand the pronunciation of new words. Use online resources or pronunciation guides that include IPA transcriptions to practice unfamiliar words. Speaking practice is equally important. Find language exchange partners or conversation groups to engage in regular dialogues. Websites and apps facilitate connections with native speakers who can help correct your pronunciation. Don't shy away from making mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. The more you practice speaking, the more comfortable you'll become with your pronunciation. In addition to speaking with others, record yourself. Hearing your own voice can be enlightening. Listen for areas where you might be mispronouncing words or struggling with certain sounds. This self-assessment will help you identify specific areas to focus on. Try reading passages aloud and compare your pronunciation with that of native speakers. This can highlight discrepancies and guide your practice. Moreover, consider the role of tongue placement and mouth movement in pronunciation. Many sounds in English require specific positions of the tongue or lips. Research the phonetic sounds you struggle with, and find resources that explain how to produce them. Practicing in front of a mirror can be beneficial, as it allows you to observe your mouth's movements and adjust accordingly. Using online pronunciation tools can also enhance your skills. Websites and apps like Forvo or Google Translate offer audio examples of words pronounced by native speakers. Listening to these examples and repeating them can improve your accuracy. Additionally, consider using language learning apps that focus on pronunciation. Many of these apps use voice recognition technology to provide feedback on your speaking. Another crucial aspect of leveling up your English is expanding your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary not only enhances your communication skills but also boosts your confidence. When learning new words, pay attention to their pronunciation. Flashcards can be an effective tool. On one side, write the word, and on the other, include its IPA transcription and an example sentence. This practice reinforces both meaning and pronunciation. Reading aloud can be a powerful exercise for pronunciation improvement. Select texts that challenge you, and read them out loud, focusing on clarity and accuracy. This practice helps in developing fluency and familiarity with sentence structures. It's also an excellent way to integrate new vocabulary into your speaking repertoire. Incorporating tongue twisters into your practice routine can be a fun and effective way to refine your pronunciation. These phrases challenge your ability to articulate specific sounds quickly and clearly. Start slowly and gradually increase your speed as you become more more comfortable. This exercise can improve your clarity and control over tricky sounds. Engaging with music is another enjoyable method to boost your English skills. Listen to English songs and pay attention to the lyrics. Try singing along to practice rhythm and intonation. This not only makes learning fun but also helps in memorizing phrases and improving your overall fluency. Analyze the lyrics for pronunciation patterns and tricky sounds. And don't hesitate to pause and repeat lines. Setting specific, achievable goals is essential for your learning journey. Create a study plan that outlines what you want to achieve within a certain time frame. Break it down into manageable tasks, such as practicing pronunciation for a set number of minutes each day or learning a certain number of new words each week. Tracking your progress can motivate you to stay on course and see tangible improvements. As you level up your English, it's important to embrace the cultural aspects of the language. Understanding idioms, slang, and colloquial expressions can enhance your conversational skills. Engage with native speakers to learn these nuances and ask questions about phrases you don't understand. This cultural immersion will not only improve your language skills but also deepen your connection with English-speaking communities. Joining online forums or social media groups focused on English learning can provide support and motivation. Connecting with others who share similar goals can be inspiring. Participate in discussions, share your experiences, and seek advice. These interactions can expose you to different perspectives and learning methods, enriching your journey. Practicing consistency is vital. Make English a part of your daily routine. Even if you have limited time, engaging with the language for a few minutes each day can lead to significant improvements over time. Create an environment that encourages language use. Label items around your home in English. Think in English, or even keep a journal to express your thoughts in a language. Don't underestimate the power of patience and perseverance. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's successfully pronouncing a challenging word or having a fluent conversation. Recognizing your progress will keep you motivated and eager to continue learning. Additionally, using technology can greatly enhance your learning experience. There are numerous applications designed specifically for language learning. Platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone offer structured lessons and exercises tailored to various skill levels. These tools can provide interactive ways to practice vocabulary and pronunciation in a gamified environment, making learning enjoyable. Consider participating in online webinars or workshops focused on language improvement. Many organizations offer free or low-cost sessions that cover specific aspects of language learning, including pronunciation. These interactive sessions often include practice opportunities and feedback from instructors, which can be invaluable. Engaging in online courses, particularly those focused on English as a second language, ESL, can provide structured learning paths and expert guidance. Look for courses that emphasize pronunciation and speaking skills. These courses often include video lessons, quizzes, and peer interaction, creating a comprehensive learning experience. If you have access to a language tutor, working with one can provide personalized support tailored to your specific needs. A tutor can help you identify areas for improvement, provide targeted exercises, and give you immediate feedback on your pronunciation. This one-on-one interaction can accelerate your progress significantly. Additionally, travel or study abroad opportunities can immerse you in an English-speaking environment. Engaging with native speakers in real-life situations forces you to use the language more naturally and helps you become comfortable with pronunciation. If traveling is not feasible, consider virtual exchange programs where you can connect with native speakers through video calls. Exploring English language blogs, YouTube channels, or TED Talks can also be beneficial. Many content creators focus on language learning, offering tips on pronunciation and grammar. Engaging with diverse content allows you to hear various speaking styles and learn from different perspectives, enhancing your understanding of the language. Utilizing social media can also be a fun way to improve your English. Follow accounts dedicated to language learning, join English speaking groups, or participate in challenges that encourage you to speak or write in English. Engaging with others online can create a sense of community and accountability in your learning process. Reading in English is not only about improving vocabulary, it also provides context for pronunciation. Choose a range of genres, from literature to articles and essays. As you read, take note of unfamiliar words and phrases, look up their meanings and practice saying them out loud. This will reinforce your understanding and help with retention. Incorporating different forms of media, such as audiobooks or radio programs, can diversify your listening practice. Audiobooks allow you to enjoy literature while hearing the correct pronunciation, and radio programs expose you to spontaneous conversation and varying accents. This exposure can enhance your ability to understand and produce speech in different contexts. Additionally, consider using flashcards for memorization and pronunciation practice. Write down new words along with their definitions and phonetic pronunciations. Use spaced repetition techniques to reinforce learning, reviewing words at increasing intervals to help with retention. This method is particularly effective for vocabulary acquisition. Joining a book club or discussion group can provide opportunities for speaking practice. Discussing a book or article with others requires you to articulate your thoughts clearly, improving both your fluency and pronunciation. It also fosters a sense of community, motivating you to continue improving your language skills. Practicing with tongue twisters can enhance your agility with specific sounds. These short, playful phrases help develop muscle memory for your mouth, tongue, and lips, improving clarity. Start with simpler ones and gradually move to more complex phrases as you gain confidence. Utilizing shadowing techniques can also be advantageous. This involves listening to a short audio clip and then trying to repeat what you hear as closely as possible, imitating not just the words but also the rhythm and intonation. This method strengthens your ability to produce sounds accurately and boosts overall fluency. Don't forget the importance of context in language learning. Understanding how words fit into sentences and the nuances of their meanings can significantly enhance your speaking skills. Practice using new vocabulary in sentences, ensuring that you grasp their correct usage in conversation. Finally, maintain a growth mindset. Recognize that language learning is a gradual process, and embrace the journey. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how